Today I'm going to talk to you about character design in Midjourney. So, something I'd recommend doing is going onto PromptBase. PromptBase is a really useful tool. So, I'm going to go to find a prompt. I'm going to go to Midjourney, and it depends what kind of character you want. There might be something here, so you might be looking for people, you might be looking scary, or you can type in at the top. So let's say Disney mom. Let's say we're looking for a Disney mom. So, are there any examples here? Let's say Disney princess, because it's for easy sake. So these are Disney princesses. What we can do here is we can buy this prompt, and this is going to give us the instructions that were used, or the prompts that were used to create these. So these are all made in Midjourney from prompts. So if we get this prompt, it's going to give us the prompt. And what you can do with this, you can just generate these images here if you want to, or you can take individual parameters from the prompt and mix and match with different things to get unique prompts. So for example, it might say they'll give you some kind of prompt ideas that give it this Disney look. So you can take that specific prompt, that specific keyword, and you can put that onto other things. So I could take this image here, and I could use that keyword with this, and it would turn this sort of Disney style, if that makes sense. So this is just a pretty easy tip and a useful way to get inspiration and prompts for different character design with Midjourney. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.